Okay, so um, last night was the season premiere of Sleepy Hollow, and I have to tell you guys that Sleepy Hollow is the best television show out there right now. Besides Siberia, I'm a big fan of Siberia also. And last night, they also had a good episode. Not that all of their episodes haven't been great, but last night was really awesome. But back to Sleepy Hollow, I've never like those two shows. I've been so addicted to them. And by last night, by Sleepy Hollow debuting last night, I was just in love. I don't know if you guys, anybody else tuned in, but I think it's going to be a great show. Like I said, so far last night, it was awesome. So I'm just anxious to get you guys' comments on it. What you thought about it? Um, yeah, it was awesome. I'm looking forward to it. It sucks that they only show these episodes once a week, um, which keeps me like on the edge. I'm ready. But other than that, I'm super excited for this show. Once again, you guys, it's Sleepy Hollow. If you missed it last night, please tune in next week, Monday at I believe it was 8 o'clock. So yeah, Sleepy Hollow and also Siberia. Later.